Alu Globus. Today we're building this massive gate with almost 30 panels, 8x6 with the best quality materials out there in the market. We need to surround ourselves with all these beautiful gates because what we offer here at Alu Globus is quality and the best prices out there in the market. We ship nationwide. We offer customized solutions for contractors, for homeowners, very easily. You get it straight to your door. We have the highest quality DIY systems, aluminum systems, so you can do it wherever you are, whenever you want, at the best prices. Here with Alu Globus, I'm very proud to say that this is a huge construction and we're doing it so fast and the client is so happy, and you can be that client too. Now you can see how long this goes. Like I said, almost 30 panels, 8x6 with the best quality vinyl and aluminum system. Yes, because not all the gate systems are created equal. At Alu Globus, we combine strength, style, durability, and affordability for you. I'm so proud of this massive construction. And we can do it so quickly and easily. You can do it too because, like I said, we ship nationwide straight to your door. You get it and you start anytime. With Alu Globus, you can get the best prices out in the market for our aluminum systems. They are durable, they're strong, they have style, and it can be a customized solution for the contractor or for the DIYer. Get a free quote and contact us today. Start that project now.